Your home network might seem simple, but what if it's actually holding you back? Most people never give a second thought to the router their internet service provider ISP hands them. It connects your devices to the internet, maybe lets you open a port or two, and that's usually enough for everyday use. But here's where it gets controversial. For tech enthusiasts, home lab hobbyists, or anyone wanting to run their own hosted services, whether public or private, those basic routers quickly start to feel restrictive and insufficient. This is exactly where OPNsense steps in. OPNsense is a free, open-source router and firewall platform packed with enterprise-level features. If you enjoy experimenting with network setups, it's definitely worth exploring, just for fun. But if you're seriously considering deploying it in your home network, there are 5 crucial questions you should ask yourself before diving in. 1. Are you planning to run a home lab? OPNsense shines when it comes to managing and segmenting network traffic. If you're running a home lab with hosted services or anything beyond just basic internet access, you'll want to organize your network efficiently. One of the best ways to do this is by using VLANs, virtual local area networks, which let you split your physical network into multiple isolated logical networks. Most consumer routers either don't support VLANs or offer very limited options. And if you're stuck with an ISP-provided router, robust VLAN configuration is basically off the table. With OPNsense, you get full VLAN support, allowing you to create separate guest networks, isolate your home lab from your main network, and keep guest traffic separate as well. This kind of segmentation is essential if you want to safely test new services or devices without risking your primary network security. If you don't have plans for a home lab or network segmentation, OPNsense might be overkill for your needs. Do you require more advanced firewall rules? Here's the part most people miss. The firewall capabilities of ISP routers are often very basic. Usually, you can only open or close ports and maybe set up a DMZ, demilitarized zone if you're lucky. Consumer routers might offer a bit more, but they still fall short for anyone needing fine-grained control. OPNsense completely changes the game by allowing you to create detailed firewall rules based on a variety of factors: specific devices, time of day, subnets, IP ranges, and even particular services. For example, if you run a home server, you can precisely control who accesses what and when, enhancing both security and flexibility. 3. Are you interested in hosting your own services? If you want to make services available beyond your local network, such as a Minecraft game server or a self-hosted cloud storage solution like Nextcloud, OPNsense offers significant advantages. While it's technically possible to expose these services using a consumer router, the process is often clunky and can leave your network vulnerable to attacks due to poor security configurations. OPNsense includes built-in support for advanced NAT, network address translation, and reverse proxy settings. This means you can expose your services to the internet in a controlled, secure way, routing incoming requests properly, instead of just blindly opening ports. This level of control is crucial for maintaining security while making your services accessible. 4. Do you need a VPN server? Not everyone does, and this is an important distinction. Many users find that subscribing to a VPN service like NordVPN or Private Internet Access (PIA) is sufficient for encrypting their internet traffic and enhancing privacy. However, if you want to remotely access your home network, say, to connect to your NAS, network-attached storage, while traveling, setting up your own VPN server is the best solution. OPNsense supports popular VPN protocols like OpenVPN and WireGuard out of the box. This allows you to selectively route traffic and securely connect to your home network from anywhere in the world. If you only need occasional access to geo-restricted websites or a minor privacy boost, a commercial VPN service will do just fine, and you probably don't need the complexity of OPNsense. 5. Are you looking for deeper insight into your network traffic? Most consumer routers offer only a very basic overview of your network. showing which devices are connected, their connection type, and bandwidth usage. But OPNsense provides a much more detailed picture. You can monitor traffic by protocol, service, or even individual IP addresses. This level of visibility is invaluable for troubleshooting network issues, tracking usage trends over time, and enhancing security by spotting unusual traffic patterns. OPNsense is fantastic, but only if you actually need it. If you answered no to most or all of these questions, that's perfectly fine. It likely means your current ISP router is sufficient, and there's no need to complicate your network setup unnecessarily. A simple router can provide adequate security and performance for many households. But if you found yourself saying yes to one or more of these points, OPNsense offers a powerful, customizable platform to take full control of your home network. So, what do you think? Is it worth the effort to switch to a more advanced system like OPNsense, or is sticking with your ISP's router the smarter choice? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments. Let's get the conversation started.